Hi friends, thank you so much for clicking this video. Our subscriber count is increasing, our followers count also increasing. Because of that, I'm receiving huge email communication, especially past few days. I'm receiving consulting request for termination record. Okay, that is true. Once you got termination letter, your background verification will not be succeed. Okay, you can trust me, or you try to attend the interview, try to submit your documents for the purpose of background verifications, and once you realized, you can approach to me, no worry on that. Okay, but honestly speaking, as per my knowledge, once you got terminated, your background verification will be failed continuously. Okay, yeah, so if you're really interested, you can approach to me. If you're really interested, you can approach to me, because as I mentioned, our followers count is increasing day by day, so that I'm receiving multiple email communication. If you want to connect with me, if you need suggestion for termination, definitely I will give you. There is a worst case solution available for termination record, and you can approach to me. Once done your consulting fee, we will discuss. My email ID and UPI ID available, all my videos, you can contact me directly. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.